For decades, getting vital health information meant this: needles, discomfort, and vials upon vials of blood. But what if it didn't have to? What if a single drop could unlock a universe of data? This was the promise of Theranos, championed by its visionary founder, Elizabeth Holmes. Hailed as the next Steve Jobs, she promised to change healthcare forever. The centerpiece was the Edison machine, a black box promising hundreds of tests from a single pinprick of blood. No more large needles, no more waiting for labs. Just fast, accessible results, delivered anywhere. Investors poured in hundreds of millions. Partnerships with giants like Walgreens and Safeway followed. Theranos soared, valued at an astonishing $9 billion. But behind the slick marketing and ambitious promises, cracks began to appear. Doubts were whispered, initially drowned out by the hype. Then, a tenacious journalist at the Wall Street Journal, John Carreyrou, started receiving tips. Sources, disillusioned and fearing retaliation, began to paint a very different picture of Theranos and its technology. In October 2015, Carreyrou's explosive report landed in the Wall Street Journal. It detailed how Theranos's revolutionary Edison devices frequently failed basic tests, forcing the company to secretly run most patient samples on standard, commercially available machines. The tiny pinprick samples collected in their proprietary nanotainers were often diluted to work in these machines, a practice that could compromise accuracy. Worse, the investigation highlighted potentially dangerous inaccuracies in test results delivered to real patients, raising serious safety concerns. Carreyrou's report was the first domino. Investigations by the FDA and CMS swiftly followed, uncovering widespread deficiencies and unsafe practices. Partnerships dissolved, lawsuits mounted, the $9 billion valuation evaporated. By 2018, Theranos, once the darling of Silicon Valley, ceased operations. But the story wasn't over. Elizabeth Holmes and former President Sunny Balwani faced federal fraud charges. After a lengthy trial, Holmes was found guilty on multiple counts of defrauding investors. The dream of revolutionizing blood testing ended not in triumph, but as a stark warning about deception in the pursuit of innovation.